This stuff sets up in about, I think, 15-20 minutes, but I went ahead and let it sit for a full 24 hours. I'm hoping that's enough, so let's take a look at it. It looks pretty good. So, I think I can do my first sound test. Alright, the strings that I'm going to be putting on this first run, the bass string is a 55, and then I chose basically all low E strings because I want this instrument to have a lot of low tones, and they're gauged at 54, 42, and 30. All of the thicker ones. Here's an interesting fact. This will be the first time that I have ever strung a bass string. No doubt you bass players out there right now are just screaming at me about all the things I ought to be doing or not doing. It's okay though, this is just a test string. I think you're supposed to break it off, stick it down in there, and then tighten it. I don't know if that's accurate, but I want to do a wrap first. Bend it off first, so as to keep the core intact. Was I did not buy short scale bass strings, so I think the final version will have to have short scale strings. Okay, what am I bottoming out on? All of it. That bridge needs to be much, much higher, or that nut, because that is basically all I've got here. Okay, that's close. Next, these three. I got absolutely nothing. I need to make the nut higher. Sucks. I think I just want to pop all those frets out. I'm going to knock out that fret, that fret, that fret, that fret, that fret. Those frets are out. That's going to take care of that problem. Then I'm going to sand down those other top ones, and that'll solve the other problem. Sound test 1, unsuccessful. I am, however, going to save these strings for my second test, because they'll at least go in there enough to get tension. Oh, come on. And I can find out if I was successful. Hoping that comes out of there with that kink in it.